Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to sync Slack between mobile and desktop in 2025 so your messages and notifications stay updated on both devices. Slack automatically syncs your data across all devices once you sign in with the same account. First, open Slack on your desktop and log into your workspace using your email or Google account. After that, open the Slack app on your phone and sign in with the same account. As soon as you do that, your messages, channels, and threads will appear exactly the same on both devices. If you send a message from your mobile, it will instantly show on your desktop and vice versa. For notification control, go to Preferences, then Notifications on your desktop and select how and when you want alerts to appear. You can also customize settings in your mobile app so you only get alerts when you are active on that device. Make sure both apps are updated to the latest version so syncing happens smoothly. And that's it, you've successfully synced Slack between mobile and desktop in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.